With our side flashings, what we're going to do is extend the side flashing an inch or two above the top edge of our window here. That'll become apparent later, but we want a good bond ultimately with our head flashing right at here at this overlapping joint. You guys will be working, like I said, with the 6-inch Tyvek straight flash. I've got my 2-inch line here. I'm just lining that up like so. There's a little bit of trimming to be done. I'm going to cut across horizontally and then just fold this flexible flashing in like so. So now we've covered our overlap here at the sill. The other thing that this flexible flashing does for us all the way around is it seals this plywood window wrap joint to where the sheathing is. Like I said, we're going to be pretty typical that there's going to be a small gap here, wall sheathing and the wrap meet. This will air seal that area. I'm going to install this next one and then we'll move on to actually setting the window.